In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use attendance in GoodDay. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can clock in quickly and confidently every time you start your workday. Let's begin from the moment you're already logged into your GoodDay account. The first thing you want to do is make sure you're on the main dashboard. To do that, look for the Home option, usually located in the main navigation bar at the top or on the side of your screen, depending on your layout. Go ahead and click on Home. This brings you to your central workspace, where GoodDay gathers your key tools and shortcuts. Starting from home helps ensure you always know where you are before moving into more specific features, like attendance. Once you're on the home screen, the next step is to open the extended menu. Look for the option labeled More. This is typically where GoodDay places additional features that don't fit in the primary menu. Click on More to expand that section. Think of this as opening a drawer that contains extra tools. If you don't immediately see the attendance feature on your main screen, it will almost always be tucked inside this More area. After you click More, you'll see a list of additional options or modules. From that list, find and click on Attendance. This is the dedicated area where GoodDay tracks time-related actions, such as when you start and end your workday. Clicking Attendance will open a page or panel that focuses specifically on your time records. It's a good habit to always check that you're in the right section before proceeding, and seeing the attendance label at the top of the screen is a clear sign you're in the correct place. Now that you're inside the attendance section, you're ready to record the start of your workday. Look for the Clock In button. It's usually prominently displayed, often near the top of the attendance page, so it's easy to find at the start of your shift. When you're ready to begin working, simply click Clock In. This action tells GoodDay that your workday has started and begins tracking your time from that moment. And that's it. You clicked Home to anchor yourself on the main screen, opened the More menu, selected Attendance, and then clicked Clock In to start your day. Once you're comfortable